Hi everyone, and welcome to our podcast episode with the pharmaceutical clinician, bridging the gap between clinical medicine and the pharmaceutical industry. Now for today's podcast, we're going to be focusing on the concept of drug delivery, really summarizing excellent work by a recent report by AstraZeneca in this domain. Now drug delivery is crucial because it allows drugs to be targeted in a more specific fashion and enables enhanced penetration of drugs into tissues and ultimately cells. Now, the report from AstraZeneca focuses on various themes. One of these themes is looking specifically at nucleotide-based therapeutics, and they suggest that lipid nanoparticles can enable enhanced drug delivery of mRNA and ultimately the initiation of cellular protein production. Their next focus is on nanoparticles in general, and they suggest that by combining drugs with such particles that range in diameter from 1 to 100 nanometers, the therapeutic concentration of the drug can be enhanced greatly, allowing for ultimately greater tissue concentration and distribution. Their third angle focuses on the controlled release of medicines, and their work has looked into combining drugs with compounds such as PLGA, polylactic co-glycolic acid, which can be injected under the skin and enable controlled release of the drug and eventual degradation of the polymer. They have also highlighted in their report ongoing work with silica-based particles combined with biologics, and they suggest that this will allow for controlled release of drugs and prolonged functioning of the biologic agent at the same time. The report concludes by suggesting that in the future, oral biologics would be the ultimate focus. They highlight that such drugs can be combined with peptides to allow, for example, penetration across the digestive system and the GI tract, or through the use of microneedles, which can ultimately enhance drug delivery. I encourage you to read the full report online on the AstraZeneca website, and certainly look at all the great work by the experts there: Annette Back, Marian Ashford, and Nigel Davis.